Bonjour Alison, nous sommes le jeudi 23 avril, leçon 9 sur 17. Quel est le type de chien que tu préfères? Quelle est la race de chien que tu préfères? Quels sont les chiens que tu préfères? J'aime le bulldog français. J'aime le berger allemand, le border collie. Qu'est-ce que tu écoutes comme musique? Donc, quel type de musique aimes-tu? J'écoute de la musique country. Quel type de musique aimes-tu? La musique country. If you want to specify, explain, a different style of music people don't really know, you can say c'est de la, ou c'est de la musique pop, c'est de la musique rock, c'est de la musique lente, c'est de la musique rapide. Okay? Just a way of explaining. Doesn't mean that you're listening to pop music. Quel est ton groupe de musique préféré? Your band, music band. J'aime la musique. You can say j'aime plus the name of the band. It's not going to change in French. J'aime la musique. Je n'aime pas la musique alternative. Quel genre de film aimes-tu? Les films, le cinéma. J'aime les documentaires, les comédies. J'aime un peu les policiers. You can say I just like a little this style of movies. Horreur, suspense, les films d'action. Quel est ton film préféré? That means what is your favorite movie? I like Christmas Vacation. J'aime Christmas Vacation. Ton acteur préféré? Your favorite actor? Your favorite actor? Robin Williams. Il pleut dehors, it's raining outside. Il pleut ici, it's raining here. Quel est ton réalisateur préféré? So réalisateur is a director. Your favorite director? Dallas Jenkins. J'aime bien Dallas Jenkins because we talked about the Chosen. Les acteurs, actors. Les actrices, actresses. Tu aimes la mode? There's a uppercase, sorry about that. Tu aimes la mode? Do you like fashion? Est-ce que tu aimes la mode française? Do you like French fashion? Est-ce que tu aimes la mode italienne? Do you like Italian fashion? Italian fashion. Je n'aime pas la mode allemande. I don't like German fashion. A t-shirt is a t-shirt or is a short sleeve shirt. Pants, un pantalon singular. Est-ce que tu aimes les pantalons? Do you like pants? Oui, j'aime, non, je n'aime pas. Est-ce que tu aimes les robes? Dresses. Je n'aime pas les robes. Une jupe, a skirt. Est-ce que tu aimes les jupes? Do you like skirts? Oui, j'aime, non, je n'aime pas. Est-ce que tu aimes les pullovers? Les pulls. Est-ce que tu aimes les sweaters? Usually, you know, this kind of wool made sweater. It's an ugly sweater, as we call them, Christmas. Les sweaters à capuche, the hoodies. Hood, une capuche. Hoodies. C'est très pratique. It's very practical. So you can say, j'aime les sweaters à capuche. Il y a dans la mode des choses que tu n'aimes pas. So, il y a is, there is, or there are, in fashion, dans la mode. Fashion is feminine. Things, des choses, things, that you don't like. Les vêtements classiques, classical fashion, or classical clothes. Les chaussures, so, you can say whatever you want here, okay. So after les chaussures, these are shoes. Quel type de chaussures aimes-tu? What type of shoes do you like? J'aime les bottes, les chaussures à hauts talons. Sometimes we just say les talons hauts, high heels or heels high, is what we say in French. Les baskets, sneakers, les tennis. Okay. Next time we're going to talk about I agree, I disagree. Je suis d'accord, je ne suis pas d'accord. And the emotions. Okay, to express your emotions. So, I sent you a bunch of freebies. Let's see if I can open them. These, the PPTX on PowerPoint presentation. I think you can open them with, oh, let's do that. Or maybe not, this one. Let's try. That is Spanish math for my daughter. They're annoying with all their different files sometimes. You never know what kind of program to use. So it's coming. So there are like 3 things you can check, or you do whatever you want, of course. So, ma chanteuse préférée is like my favorite singer. Doesn't have to be that. Elle s'appelle Zaz. Her name is Zaz. Elle est française. She's French. Elle habite à Tous, en France. Oh, I think it's a mistake. Elle est chanteuse. And her teeth are disgusting. Elle a 39 ans. She's 39. Elle est brune et elle a les yeux marrons. She's brunette and she has brown eyes. Elle est grande, belle et mince. She's tall, beautiful or pretty, and slim. Elle aime jouer de la guitare. She likes playing guitar. That's it. Okay. So that's one. I don't know where are the other guys. Maybe I should just drop this. Now behind. Well, that's pure pop, hein, but we're talking about adjectives here. So, le féminin, le pluriel, la place. Feminine, plural, and places. So let's see if it's not too difficult. Le féminin, masculin. So we say étudiant, étudiante, masculine, féminine. If the adjective is masculine and ends with an E, we don't change in the feminine form. So facile, facile. Okay. Let's stay here. Bon, bonne. Beau, normally it should be beau, hein. Didn't really make it heureux. There is a mistake here. There's a mistake here. So let's just forget about this file. It's not a good one. And that was the most important. Okay, so une chemise bleue, une robe rouge. Un pantalon bleu, une blouse orange. Une jupe bleue et rouge, une chaussette, there is an E, des chaussettes, actually they forgot the S. There's 2 S here, chaussette. Yeah, chaussette, I made a mistake, it's horrible. Des chaussettes jaunes. Un t-shirt vert, une chaussure, des chaussures noires et blanches. Une cravate rose, une veste grise. Des chaussures rouges, une veste noire. Nope. Un t-shirt blanc, un pull jaune, des chaussettes rouges et vertes. Okay. There's one extra thing. So they translate everything, which is okay. And that's it. Okay. So I just wanted to show you this stuff. There are some images as well. Maybe just 2. So let's open them. Maybe this one. Again, it's not related to you. But les chaussures, la botte, la bottine, les Rangers, le mocassin, that's not le mocassin, l'espadrille, la basket, les ballerines, l'escarpin, le talon aiguille, le haut talon, it's fine. Talon aiguille is because the heel is very thin. La mule, le sabot, la tongue, la sandale, hein, la pantoufle, le soulier, that's more le mocassin here, la sandale. Okay. Now, the fabric, la soie, let me just zoom in here. Okay, let's see. There we go. La soie, le cachemire, le velours, le côtelet, le coton, le daim, le cuir, la flanelle, le tricot, c'est wool, hein. Gabardine, la laine, le lin. Okay? That's it. Elle est violente. You have a nice weekend and I'll see you next Thursday. Au revoir, Listen. Bye bye.